In this video, I'm going to make a mirror artwork. For that, I've taken a board on which I've applied the black acrylic paint. Then I just let it dry. After that, I've taken two small round shaped mirrors and some broken pieces of mirror as well. And I've taken a UHU for sticking. Then we will apply a good amount of UHU on the mirror so that we could stick it on the board. Then as you can see, I have stuck all the broken pieces of mirror on the board as well. But you have to be careful while doing that so that you couldn't harm yourself. Now it's ready, so I've decorated it in my room and here are the final results.